Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2796th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. It is Monday night for trading on Tuesday. This video will be for. It is video number 2796 coming at you on Monday night. Of course, for Trading Tuesday, that is the 10th of September, 2024. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, 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 risky. Please put your stops in. Put them in first. They will protect you in these extremely volatile markets. So, check this out. E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, the whole gamut, the Dow, the tranny, they all gave me a neutral Omni. Go neutral, Oscar, stop. Stop selling, go neutral. Okay, that's for trading on the 10th. Right before that, we had bearish Omnis all the way down, and now Omni's gone neutral. And look right here, which is really interesting, because the 200 bar moving average and Omni have nothing to do with one another at all. But we came back down to the 200 bar average a few weeks ago and held. We just got to it now. And so far held, and Omni didn't go bullish, but went neutral and told us to stop selling. All right, I will do what Omni says for the day. I'll stop selling. We'll see where we end up on Tuesday's close. What else is out there that's of interest? Look at this guy. The Russell 2000. Now, we don't really need this average anymore. That was good on the NASDAQ. It doesn't do us any good on the Russell. Let's get rid of it. Look at the Russell 2000. Last time at the 200 bar, popped through and held. Then we got back to the 200 bar, popped through, held. We didn't actually get to it yet. We got close and went neutral Omni. Stopped giving us sell signals. Interesting there as well, in my opinion. Then a really, really big piece of our market, as you know, is NVIDIA. Look where NVIDIA found legs. I showed this chart to you when NVIDIA was all the way up here. And I said if it's going to drop, let it drop down to that average, and we'll see what it's going to do when it gets there. You just seen this about a week ago. Well, we just hit the average. Is that another nice hold? Look at how it held nicely here, NVIDIA, right? Came down to the average, held nicely. Rallied up, rallied up, rallied up, came to the average, held nicely. Rallied up, came to the average. Had a one-day pop so far. Another hold? Maybe so. Omni's neutral. We don't have to buy anything, but a great day to be able to watch. Omni looks like it's tuning right in on a possible turn back to the upside. Now, so we've looked at NASDAQ, we've looked at Russell and NVIDIA. Now, watch this. You know, I've told you that Bitcoin trades with the stock market, right? Check this out. Look at Bitcoin. I believe this is Bitcoin. Look at where Bitcoin found legs. How bizarre is that? You tell me Wall Street is not watching these charts. It finds legs here. Well, okay. It finds trouble. Runs into trouble here. Finds legs here. Runs into trouble here. Runs into trouble here. Finds legs here. Runs into trouble here. Finds legs here. Can't make it all the way up. At least for one day, finds its legs here. Isn't that interesting? I tell you, Wall Street loves geometry. They see it. They're watching. So Bitcoin, once again, I'm in a neutral for Bitcoin, not a buy or a sell, just a neutral. I'll take it. No problem. We'll sit tight a day and see what's going to happen. Now, for you Euro fans, anybody trade the Euro currency out there? All of my Euro fans, my European fans, I just wanted to bring up the Euro for one reason for you. Last time I showed you this chart, these trend lines, or I should say these daily bars didn't exist. We were here. And I said, okay, from here, this looks pretty good. We've rallied up since, but now we're back down through it. And I wanted to point that out to you. If you are trading Euro, be careful. We have fallen out of the channel. But the real reason why I wanted everyone to watch this video, I just went through a series of charts to show you how between NASDAQ, Russell, we are between the NASDAQ and the Russell and NVIDIA, we're finding places where Omni's gone neutral and it looks like the market may hold, right? Well, the reason why I wanted you to watch this video is for this very reason. Last week, I did a YouTube video, and in that video, I promised you I would show you charts that would make you not worry, to show you the markets are likely going to go higher this week. I filmed that last week. That video is right here. And basically, let me see if I can get some volume.
After that, let me shut up.
Okay, so hold on. Let's get rid of that.
Nice to
Listen to this for just a moment.
We'll see where that goes. Traders, what's next? I've got some great charts I want to show you. I think in those charts you'll see that there's no need to really panic. Yes, we're going down for a little while, but it's not going to go all that far. If things change, of course, we'll take this one day at a time. So let me show you those charts, and let me remind you of this. If you are in a trade, and if it's going against you, of course, you'll stop winning first, and you got in the trade. And if it's going against you, and you're about to do something crazy like cancel replays or start cost averaging and buying more, don't do that. Instead, say this to yourselves over and over again, and don't touch the keyboard. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir! Emotions are rock and roll, traders. I will see you at the site now. Let's go look at some charts.
Give me 30 seconds so I can...
Traders, this was filmed for you on the 4th, just a couple of days ago, right? It was filmed on the 4th. I want you to watch the video in its entirety. I will put the link below. I was about to go into the chart segment. There's no need to do it here. You can just watch it yourselves. So there's a chart segment coming up. Click the link below and watch that video. It is a video filmed last week to depict what should happen in our markets this week. That video remains valid. Click the link below. I hope this helps. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.